Paano pa kinds? Paano kind nga yun?
Okay.
Yung mga ganong unit, most of the time, we only have one pair of each. So yun mga boss, meron tayong customer dito, repeat customer natin, si Sir Rene. He went here and was looking for a pair of speakers para sa bedroom niya and small amp. He ended up getting a pair of Vocal 807V and the Onkyo A927 amplifier. He was supposed to get the NS1000 but we advised him na it's too big for his room. Baka mabingi na siya. So anyway, yung nakuha niyang speaker before is mas malaki na nilagay niya sa talas niya. So yun. He was supposed to get the NS1000. The legendary NS1000. Yun nga, it's too big for his room. He asked him if he can consider yung smaller na 806V na Vocal na nasunod din naman yung gusto niya, yung requirement niya na sound.
Which one did he buy? Like, alin doon? Yun dapat. So, alin dito sa...
Wala na, dinala niya na.
No, wala kang repeat na ganun.
Wala. Paano pa kinds? Paano pa kind nga yun?
Okay.
Yung mga ganong unit, most of the time, we only have one pair of each. It's just that, itong batch lang na to is maraming nag-request ng 4312 na JBLs. And itong mga NS1000. And of course, the highly collectible 4344 and the 4343B JBL speakers. Meron din tayo, for the first time, meron tayong 4313B na professional series na JBL. Vintage din siya, mga boss. Okay, punta naman tayo dito. We have not one, but 3 units ng Acupace E305. So, this one. This one comes with the original manual. So, this one is toggle ready and it is paired with this one, the JBL 4307. Sir, salamat. This will go to Butuan City tomorrow, so expect your items anytime soon.